Welcome to my new tutorial on how to install Dell 3110CN printer on a computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require. Please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require. You can download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After that, you need to just right click on the downloaded driver file, and click on extract to. It will create a folder and extracted all the files in this folder. You will get two folders here, 32-bit and 64-bit. If your computer is 64-bit, then use 64-bit one. If your computer is 32-bit, then you will go with the 32-bit. So my computer is 64-bit, so I'm going to 64-bit. These are the basic driver files. We will use them later when it is asking for drivers. So please click on close and start installing the drivers manually. To install it manually, you just need to click on start button and click on settings. And then click on devices. After that, click on printer and scanners from the left side pane and click on the plus icon from the right side pane. Add a printer or scanner. Click on the link. The printer that I want is not listed. Click on that. After that, it will start the printer installation wizard. You need to just click on add a local printer and then click on next. Now it is asking for the USB port. So please select the USB port where your printer is connected right now. I recommend you to choose USB 001 and then click on next. It is asking for driver. Click on have disk and click on browse. Go to the location where we have extracted the drivers. We have extracted the drivers on the desktop in this folder. Open up 64-bit and select this file and click on open. Click on OK and select the model number of your printer, Dell 3310CN, and then click on next. Click on next again. It is installing the drivers now, so please let it be done. Choose the first option, do not share this printer, and then click on next. Click on finish. As you can see on your screen, the printers in the printers list, the printer has been installed successfully. So this is how you can install this Dell 3110CN printer on your computer. So if you like this video, if you find this video useful, please hit like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.